Hi everybody, it's Earl here coming to you from MGM Classic Cars in Addison, Illinois. MGMClassicCars.com. Look at this little racetrack car. 1978 Widebody 924 with that 2-liter 4-cylinder engine. These things handle amazing. Great track cars. Great balance. Been totally gone through. Power for a 4-cylinder. Porsche people know. But it handles amazing. It really does. Just took it for a ride. It was like it was on a track or something. It's down. Dual carbs. Lever carburation. Electronic ignition. Optima battery, tie down in front. Sounds great. Really revs out really high too. Let me close this. I'll show you. Great look, wide body car too. I don't know what that kit could cost. Special racing wheels, disc brakes, paint looks good, gaps out well. Spend the day at the track. One little molding here I see. Drive it to the track, bring some extra tires with you. Sunroof. Look at the wide body, big tire in the back. All your glass is good all the way throughout. Paint is in real good shape. 4-wheel disc brakes. Nice. Great stance. Great stance. Inside the cabin here. Seats are in good shape. Back seats. Headliner's good. Sunroof. Nice sound system inside. All the way through. Door panels. No rust to be found anywhere. And all your moldings and stuff look really, really good. Car shows 51,154 miles. All your gauges seem to be working properly. Looks like I got gas in here, but the light's on. I don't know what's going on there. Yeah, she likes to rev up high. Sound system. No cracks in the dash at all. Nice. We're located in Addison, Illinois, just 20 minutes southwest of O'Hare Airport. We've got over 190 cars in stock. I think we're peaking at 200 right now even. All our descriptions, photos, and videos are online, and pricing. You can go check out our website at MGMClassicCars.com. We do offer financing with good credit. Up to 180 months with 10% down. If you have excellent credit, we do have one source that will go no money down, but you're going to have to be bullets for that one. Shipping opened and enclosed all over the United States, bonded and insured. And if you have any questions on any of that, just text me or call me at 773-600-0919. Again, my name is Earl. That's 773-600-0919. We are open Monday through Friday from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. and Saturday from 10 to 2, all by appointment only. You've got my number. Just text or call me. I'll get you in. If you want to have questions on any of our vehicles, just call me. This is a really nice 78 track race 924 Porsche. Shows only 51,000 miles. And it's been all set up with the wide body. So if you have any questions on this, give us a call. Also, like us on Facebook and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks, everybody. See some more videos soon. Bye.